Ever. Asan na to? We're somewhere in Ever. Mike, Ever ano ulit to?
Ever Ortiga.
Ever Ortigas. Yes. We're grocery shopping. Student advisory, walang pasok. Yes. Walang pasok ngayon.
Gloria bullshit.
Gloria Bush. Tama. Jay!
Mahirap na buhay. Naramdaman ko yung nagpagasolina ako. Naubos.
Hey, pakita mo yung ano. Pakita mo yung cart. Please.
Ayan.
Yung cart. JJ. Let's video what's inside the cart.
What?
Ayan na.
Yeah, look.
Pamili.
Watch out for Chef Dexter as he going to cook his special sopas.
Special sopas just
Yeah.
for us.
Just for us.
Yes. Yun na, nauuna sa Chef Dex.
Hey, find him.
Follow the scent. Ay, traffic. Namamadali si Dex, so gusto mo magluto. We're in the grocery section. Wait. Dex. Ay, Chef Dex pala. Chef. What are you buying right now, Chef?
Karot tsaka pipino.
Patingin.
Ito, pipino. Karot.
Carrot. That's big cabbage.
This is my head.
Your head.
This is your head.
Chef Dex is finished choosing the vegetables.
Kalahati, no? Kalahati. Ako hindi tayo.
Yan, kalahati, oh. Uy, sakto. Kalahati.
Kung ano,
Bigger, bigger daw yun. Wala yun
Gano'n
taga
ba
1
kalami
fourth.
to?
Madami na yan, dami.
Parang yung gata to.
Oo,
Sure,
okay.
gata.
It's enough. Anong uling?
Black sopa.
Black sopa.
Oh, lagyan ng uling.
Kala ko nga lalagyan ng ice cream eh. Pwede bang ano? Black sopa. Longganisa. Uy! Sorry!
I hit the button.
Not watching where you're going, ha?
Lumumunggo.
Yes, the new way of pushing the cart.
A new way how to push the
New way, yes.
pushing.
Side pushing.
Kaya mo pa daan. Side pushing ka.
Dire-diretso. Excuse me, douche. This is tripping inside the grocery store.
You can also be back.
Oh yeah, backward push. Go! Yeah. MTV. That was awesome. Black. Okay, that's bad.
Religious article. Hindi pwede siyang gawing accessory.
Yes.
That's bad. Gawing mo keychain yung ano. Merhe. Ganun.
Kaya pa, yung paniginipan mo, no? Magpakita sa'yo sa panaginip. Bakit mo ginagawang keychain? We're going to pay na. Senior citizen.
Okay lang. Sila. Senior citizen.
Senior citizens na sila. Ay, dito pala. Number 2 pala. Akala ko number 3. Separate mo na lang. Yes. Chef Dex.
Yes, may ulam na kami mamaya. Hindi na ako magluluto. Si Chef Dex ang bahala sa.
Yes.
Chef talaga siya, chef.
Chef. Chef.
Oh, chef!
Oh, chef. Kulit. Kuryente. Ano si Dex? Chef Dex. Hi. Bigyan mo lang yung akin dyan.
Hiring na po ang St. Luke sa Global City. Kailangan na nating magbubukas po siya sa August 2009. So, kailangan na mag-apply. Apply tayo.
Apply tayo.
St. Luke. Global City. Maraming kukunin kasi bago.
Lord willing, makakapasa ako this November.
Sabay-sabay tayo dun.
Yes. Ayo. Ako muna.
Yes, okay.